So we're not only a vacuum store, we do supply all the dishwasher supplies for your Miele dishwasher, but they can be used in any dishwasher. We also have all the laundry detergents that are available from Miele. We carry the German product Persil, and we have all the liquids as well. We have odor neutralizers that are Canadian made by PowAir, pet friendly, so it won't hurt your dog if he eats it. So we carry the Pearl Black, which is really good for all your dark clothes and your blue jeans. We also have the Pearl Sport, which is really good for your Lululemon activewear. We also carry Bona supplies. We have the stuff for the oiled floors, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl plank. So we carry Unbelievable, which is a stain remover, and I personally have removed red wine and blood with this product. It's excellent. Come in and see all these products at Vacuum Central. Happy vacuuming!